Hi, ma'am. We are from Medgate today, and we have a few questions for you. Ma'am, how are women changing in Indian society by their work, they making their own position, working in a men-dominated field?
As you can see that in today's event also, you have seen lots of women get some awards and these days actually women already understand our inner power. But if I talk about India, so India is already full of empowered women. In 17s, Ahilya Bai ji was so empowered. She was a rural. That time she was ruling this whole state alone because she was not having husband, son. They died because of some war. And she was such a visionary that time she started this Maheshwari Sari business. So you can understand how powerful Indian females are. And same time in this era, if you can see, we are not actually recognizing those who are living in rural areas or very that kind of places where we cannot reach. Otherwise, in those areas, females are very empowered, and half of the work of their house they are doing. Rather, few areas women are earning and men are not working. So, but what is happening in urban areas like we are in metro city? Females are getting recognition because of this women empowerment movement and all. But same time, if you see these days, lots of females who are not on the workplace, but from home, they are working a lot. They are earning, they are keeping their children, look after them. Same time, they are teaching their girls also to come forward and become a independent person, not depending on anyone.
And ma'am, one more question: like, how can we encourage more young girls to pursue in careers like STEM and other jobs also?
So I must tell you that these days girls are actually very intelligent. There was a time when every female was supposed to, just after a certain age, were supposed to marry, and after marriage they are supposed to either, if they are working, they were supposed to do only they become teacher or doctor. There was only two options for females. But nowadays, females are actually empowered, and females are also taking interest in different and these kind of unique careers.
Ma'am, what financial advice would you give for young women who wants to build, their own career and family?
So basically, we started this movement to make females basically independent financially. But if you see, still, as you were listening, Smriti Irani ji, she was also telling that we are not very good in financial management. This is the biggest challenge. If you ask me, even I won't be able to tell you how I am running a hospital, I am doing everything. But if you ask me about finances, I am still not able to manage that because it's our mindset that we can't do. So I really want that now next generation should always take care of their financials, not for this time, present tense. They should save something for future. Maybe after some time, after doing some job, they become an entrepreneur. So that time when they need money, at least that money should be there. They should not ask for anything.
Thank you, ma'am.